Welcome to our channel and welcome to another stock analysis video. And bago tayo magsimula sa mga napili nating stocks to analyze for this video, tignan muna natin kung ano yung naging movement ng market the previous week. Index closed at 5,759.37. So breakdown siya sa 5,800 support. And currently, nandirito siya sa 5,700. And optimistically, we would like to see na on this area na mag-bounce. Otherwise, we could see the market to go as deep as 5,400. Yan, 5,400. Um, Based from the chart that we are seeing, is 5,400. Hanggang dito siya pwedeng bumaba kung ma-break na pa to 5,800. So looking at our MAs, yung 20-day moving average natin nasa ilalim pa rin siya nung 50-day moving average. So this is a sign for us na strong bearish direction pa rin yung market. And if the market respect the chart, we could already see a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. Then possible dapat mag-bounce na siya dito sa area. So 5,700 is a strong support, so we might see a bounce this week if the chart will respect the the market will respect the chart. So for this video, I have selected 5 stocks looking to be still bullish despite the bearish direction ng index natin overall. So simulan natin with Now Corporation. And I anticipate now to rally once it breaks this resistance, 0.91 resistance. And this breakout would send a bullish signal to traders which already have now on their watch list. And this could send now to confirm its bullish direction. Yan, pag na-break na niya to 0.91, possible na maging bullish siya. Pero the stock needs to maintain the candle above the 20-day moving average. Itong green line natin. So, itong 20-day MA ang magsisilbing support ni now. And if this lines breaks down, yan, possible na bumaba pa yung direction niya. So, strong support would be around 0.36. And put the strong support at around 0.36 area. Kasi dito nagkaroon ng consolidation or range ng stocks niya from the downtrend movement niya, then nagkaroon ng consolidation dito or range sa mga nagbodega or pumosisyon. This would be a strong support for now. Next is ICT, International Container Terminal Services. So, ICT naman, it had a good recovery last week from its opening price na 4.85. Yan, 4.485. Then, nag-close pa siya hanggang sa 540. So, retaining its strong bullish trend. And for ICT, resistance would be here at the 550. Around 550 level. And if the stock is leaning towards strong uptrend continuation, we could possibly see the price will try to break this 550 price area. So same as now, I will support I will set my support sa 20-day moving average na 'tong green line niya. And if the market decides to be bearish, then we can see that the candles attempt to break the 20-day MA. And bababa siya dito sa 20-day MA. And possible magkaroon ng reversal ng trend if bumaba siya dito sa 20-day MA. Next natin is APX or Apex Mining Company. APX Company, mining company, chart-wise, yung stocks niya is still holding the 9 peso range. Itong 9 peso range na 'to, from its major drop, from this candle na yun nag-drop ng around 17% to 18% from this candle. So, candles are still on top of the moving average, these two moving average yan, signifying bullishness, and as long as it holds, this area, holds these averages, and we can still say na intact pa rin yung trend. Otherwise, if mag-fall down siya below the 20-day moving average, we can see a sign na humihina na yung trend and can potentially reverse ng direction. And ito 20-day MA. So next on our list is OGP, Ocean Gold Philippines. Si OGP naman, similar siya ng chart ni APX, yun nag-down din siya ng around almost 15% from the past week candles. Then, pero previous week, the candle was able to recover back, and the candles are also above the moving averages. Ayan, above siya ng moving averages natin. And possible it may move in a range or sideways, and possible dito magkaroon ng range movement muna. If the candles are strong or the market will still undecided yun before then magsa-sideways muna siya before the market decide which direction it will go. If ever hindi siya ma-break agad 'tong resistance or mag-breakdown dito, magkakaroon muna ng sideways movement dito before it decides which direction it goes. So, as long as the candles are above the moving average or MAs natin, the stock would still be bullish, for me. And last on our list is IMI, or Integrated Microelectronics. So, si IMI naman, maganda yung chart ni IMI. IMI recently broke the 20-day moving average, and from here na-break niya yung 20-day moving average, then had a pullback later on after nung breakout niya nagkaroon ng pullback, or it was able to recover back to close the chart with a green candle. So resistance will be around 2.50 pesos, 2.50 pesos. Resistance price at 2.50. And if successfully ma-break niya yung 2.50 pesos na price range natin, there is a high possibility of gaining momentum move and a possible reversal of direction from the long downtrend. If titignan natin yung chart niya, na matagal-tagal din yung downtrend na 'to. From this high, tuloy-tuloy yung downtrend niya. Then, ayun, if titignan natin yung kapansin-pansin dito, yung nagkaroon siya ng steady range from this level. And nagkaroon siya ng possible yung traders na position themselves. And yun, this range possible hints us that there are this would be the possible bottom range of IMI, and some traders already positioned themselves. And now that the stock is attempting to shift direction, and nag-attempt siya dito, then ito mapapansin natin kasi resistance 'to, bumaba siya ulit. Then, IMI will attempting again to break out this range, and nagkaroon siya ulit ng short uptrend dito. So we will see if the market will materialize in the direction positively once na ma-break out itong 2.50. Ito yung nagse-serve as resistance niya na hindi niya pa nabe-break yan. Nag-try siya ayun double bottom, double top na siya dito. 1, 2, then dito mag-a-attempt siya ulit report at triple top bago siya mag-break out. And ayun. That's all for our stock analysis video. If you have some stock requests, just put your request in the comment section. And if you find the video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching and see you on the next video.